Where innovation meets precision, every electric vehicle begins its journey.
Inside, technology and human skill converge to create the future of mobility.
Safety and precision begin with preparation. Every component is chosen for performance and reliability. From steel skeleton to electric marvel, the journey begins.
Precision welding forms the backbone of innovation.
Every weld is checked to meet uncompromising standards. A flawless finish protects and defines each vehicle.
Technology ensures every panel shines perfectly. Perfection is achieved through both automation and human eyes. Inside, every component is prepared to enhance comfort and technology. From skeleton to finished vehicle, each step is a testament to skill and precision.
The heart of the electric vehicle arrives with precision. Every connection ensures power flows safely and efficiently. Safety is built into every wire, every terminal. The power to move begins its journey. Precision ensures every motor fits perfectly. Every link transfers power flawlessly to the wheels. Temperature control protects performance and longevity.
Intelligence monitors every cell to keep energy flowing safely.
Every unit undergoes careful testing before advancing. Safety is verified at every high-voltage junction.
Power and control unite to form the vehicle's foundation.
With the heart and drive in place, the journey continues toward full assembly.
Every ride begins with a strong and precise foundation. Front suspension aligns strength with comfort.
Rear suspension completes the vehicle's structural balance.
Stopping power is meticulously prepared.
Precision ensures safety in every motion.
Every connection guarantees reliable stopping power. The interface between drive and road is precisely engineered. Every wheel is set to spin perfectly on demand. Functionality is verified through controlled testing. Precision in alignment ensures safety and performance. Every component is double-checked for reliability.
With foundation, traction, and stopping power complete, the vehicle is ready for its next stage.
Every interior detail is prepared for a seamless installation.
Comfort and safety are integrated with precision.
Every control and display is positioned for intuitive access.
Connectivity and functionality meet the driver's fingertips. Precision steering ensures a confident driving experience.
Driver interface is engineered for control and responsiveness.
Every touchpoint blends aesthetics with function.
Safety systems are integrated with meticulous care. Finishing touches elevate the cabin experience.
Every cabin is verified for comfort, safety, and functionality.
From seats to sensors, every interior is brought to life.
With the cabin complete, the vehicle moves toward its exterior perfection. Every exterior panel is prepared to fit seamlessly and shine brilliantly. Precision fitting ensures form meets function. Symmetry and alignment define both aesthetics and quality.
Every contour is perfected before finishing. Before final coating, every flaw is addressed. Attention to detail guarantees a flawless finish.
Automation and precision create a mirror-like exterior.
Controlled curing ensures durability and brilliance.
Every surface is verified for perfection.
Shine and finish are achieved through careful human touch.
Every detail defines the vehicle's identity and elegance. With exterior perfection complete, the vehicle advances toward its final assembly stages.
All circuits converge to bring control and comfort alive.
Every control is calibrated for precision driving. The vehicle's brain synchronizes every system seamlessly.
Every sensor is placed to guide, assist, and protect. Connect transcription. Connectivity comes alive with every system test. Every feature is verified to ensure comfort and functionality. Illumination meets safety in meticulous testing. Handling and stopping power are finalized with precision.
Every automated function is aligned for safety and reliability.
The vehicle's intelligence is programmed to perfection.
Attention to detail ensures a pristine interior for every driver.
With every system integrated, the vehicle is ready for ultimate verification. Every vehicle undergoes rigorous scrutiny before leaving the line. Perfection is found in the details of every panel. Every interior feature is verified for comfort and reliability. Handling and stopping power are verified for safety and precision. Every wheel is positioned for optimal stability.
Sensors are calibrated to anticipate and respond precisely.
Every digital system is checked and optimized for reliability.
Safety and compliance are never compromised. Every vehicle earns its stamp of approval through meticulous review. Documentation ensures traceability and accountability at every step. With every system verified, vehicles are ready for the final touches.
Before delivery, every vehicle is perfected and polished.
Every curve and surface reflects precision and care.
From rims to treads, no detail is overlooked. Every touch point is spotless and ready for the driver.
Technology shines as brightly as the exterior finish.
Brand identity is applied with meticulous attention. Clarity and finish reflect the craftsmanship within.
Every vehicle leaves the detailing bay flawless.
Traceability and authenticity are verified before departure.
Every vehicle stands ready, a testament to precision engineering.
Before the road, every experience is verified.
With detailing and branding complete, vehicles are ready to meet their owners. Traceability ensures each vehicle is accounted for and monitored. Efficiency and order govern every movement within the warehouse. Final verification ensures every vehicle is pristine. Every vehicle is carefully guided for safe transport. Transcription. Precision loading protects each vehicle during its journey. From the factory floor to the road, the journey continues.